All right, wig time. This is a new company. It's called Glam Vigor. It is a synthetic wig. I went ahead and cut the lace on her already, but she is an all brown color with some curls. She is an asymmetrical haircut, so it does go shorter in the back, longer in the front. Cap, I went ahead and put some scar tape in there, but she is a middle part, and that's the only parting area. You can see the mesh here, the wefting here. There's a comb at the bottom, 2 combs at the side, and then of course you have your tightening straps here. So we'll get her put on. Very easy to put on, especially if you're somebody who's not super used to wearing wigs. That one was pretty easy. Now I'm just going to get her adjusted where she needs to be. Okay, and then I'm just going to run a bit of a brush through her, get some of the crazies out of the way. Okay, she's cute. All right, so some of this hair here in the front, I don't like how floppy it is into my face. So I have this on a really low heat setting. This is at 300. And I'm just gonna take this comb and kind of push her back. Push her back just a little bit. And sometimes I like to just run my comb over this section. Okay, and see that? Fix that so fast. Same here. Push her back. We're gonna go that way. Okay, I'm just running it over these front pieces so they don't flip in my face quite so much. Much, much better. Now I don't feel like it's just kind of making this little swoop. So here she is. I will put what style number she is on here. Very, very soft, very easy to run my fingers through. I will say this is a nice kind of easy light cap. It's not itchy, and it I think would be nice to wear even in the summertime. It shouldn't make it too hot, but see how I can ear tuck, and I even have some of my own bio hair up here at the front. Now with the top part, I would, just me personally, because I don't want it to, I have my hair just usually a little fluffier, a little more volume. So I would use my heat comb to do the same thing. So I would just take a piece of this and then run it up and down, let it kind of cool down a minute, and then let it fall. And that's going to give you a little bit of lift. So then I come down to another section, up and down. Okay. And then run a brush through it or a wide tooth comb. There we go. And that just makes me feel like it looks a little more natural than this side. You see how it has some lift right there? I like that. Yeah, this is super cute. Super fun wig. Great budget friendly option, especially if you are using synthetics. This is my first synthetic wig. I was very appreciative and lucky that the company reached out to me, asked me if they could send me a wig and I would review it. So I said, for sure, let's do it. And so this is my very first synthetic piece. Cute. I definitely like her. She was very easy to kind of get on and get going. They did come with some lace at the front. I cut that off. It wasn't a lot, and it was very, very easy to follow that hairline, but I took it off. And this is, like I said, if you're looking for something that's just kind of fun, easy to use, this is great. Great, great wig option. Thank you so much for giving me the opportunity to see this piece and review it. Oh yeah, that's very cute. Here, I'll do a full turn. Awesome. Thanks, guys.